How to look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily look up to your Bitcoin address on Cash App. First thing you have to do is tap on the bottom left corner of your screen where it's showing you your money. And once you have done that, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on it and go to Bitcoin. Once you tap on Bitcoin here, you can find an option to send Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin. Tap on the arrow right beside sell, and from there, you'll have an option to get your Bitcoin address. Tap on your Bitcoin address to copy it, and once that is done, you should be able to see your Bitcoin address right there. Just tap on the copy button and you can send it to whoever you want, or even use it yourself to send yourself Bitcoins. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.